Hello my friend, this is Dwayne Golden and I'm here to give you your free tour or your virtual tour of our system. First of all, one of the number one questions we're asked is, before we get started, how do your capture or landing pages look? Or do you have emails? Some of the questions that we're getting are even about, hey, how do I know if I would use your banners? Well, I'm going to invite you right now to take a look with me. Now, as we do this, we're going to first walk into our edit profile page, and if you take a look behind me, you will see that there are specific elements of your profile that will populate your capture and landing pages. Number one, your name, how it's spelled correctly, should be here in the profile section. So should you use the appropriate email address and your phone number if you choose. Why do we do that? Well, if you go ahead and make sure your profile is accurate, what happens is when you look at your landing pages or your capture pages, your information will already be populated on there so your prospects can contact you as they want to get started. Also, I want you to note, you must use the appropriate Zeek Rewards username because that username will determine where your prospects are going to go when they say, yes, I want to get started. So let's take a look together. If a prospect's looking at your website, your capture page, and they've gone through and now they've landed and they're viewing a presentation, they have an option to call you, to email you, or to just click Get Started Now, open up their free account so they can begin to utilize this system. And to top it all off, as they utilize Zeek Reward system, they become your, not customer, but affiliate. Gets better. We have a download section, but I want you to pay close attention to the emails. We actually have some of the emails that we use to enroll our customers and affiliates. Well, you just download them, then you can edit them and tailor them for you, and then of course upload them into your Aweber account. Now that I've gotten that out of the way, let's take a look at our banners. Here are some really nice banners. In fact, the banners are broken down into two different categories. The two categories are giving away free bids, right? And then the other is actually getting started learning how to copy and paste to earn money daily. Yeah, that's simple as that. Very simple. A person would just take the coding that's there. They can use it on their blogs, their social networks. If you take the code, then of course the banner will appear. When people click on it, it automatically goes to your capture pages. It gets better than that. Finally, the capture pages. Well, we have two different categories. Currently, we kick off Z Marketing Pro with two capture pages. One focused on getting people to go ahead and sign up for their free bids, right? And then when they do that and get their account, they become your customer, which is great, which is how this business works. Secondly, we also have a capture page that's designed around you building up your matrix, your 2x5 matrix. Why? So you can build that ongoing passive residual. And what happens when your prospects get through and they see that they can be a part of your team and learn how to copy and paste and get paid every day, guess what? They get to the landing page and they get a chance to sign up with you. Bottom line, we have the preset email. When they go through your capture page, they're going to get an email of you giving them the bids and showing them how to get the bids. Bottom line, in your virtual tour, there's so much more I could have shown you, but this is enough so you can see the value of a lifetime membership with Z Marketing Pro. And if you don't know how to do it yet, start doing the Z Marketing dance.
Z Marketing Pro, let's go, let's go, let's go. Z Training and videos, let's go, let's go, let's go. XS and banners and weekly webinars, biz option capture pages. Prospects can sign up for Zeek Reward if you want a system that will go hard. Get the Zeek Squad, get with the Zeek Squad. Zeek Marketing Pro is the squad.